In this video, I will show you how to add clickable link on Instagram post description. So to get started, you'll need to open Instagram on your device and sign in into your account. But before we get started, I'll clarify with you that you won't be able to add a clickable link on your Instagram post description, but you can add a clickable link on your profile description. So go ahead and head over into your profile, and in here, go ahead and hit on that edit profile button, which you'll find under your profile name. Now in here, go ahead and click on the add link button and click on that add external link. So in here, you'll need to paste the link and create a title for that specific link. After that, go ahead and click on that check button to save this link to your profile. Head back to your profile and go ahead and post a photo. To do that, go ahead and click on the top right corner of your screen and click on that post button. Now select a photo to post from your gallery and click on next. Now you can customize how this photo will look like, and on the next step, go ahead and enter on the description. Please check out the description box to be able to know more facts about me as your description before you hit on that OK button to post this photo to your feed. So this will allow users or your followers to simply view your profile on Instagram and click on the link on your description under your description box on Instagram. And that is how you can simply add a clickable link on Instagram description. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.